Now see this type of question. In this question, we have to prove that 7 log of 16 by 15 plus 5 log of 25 by 24 plus 3 log of 81 by 80 is equals to 2. So again, we will use laws of logarithm. Okay, we will try to identify which law we can use here. So directly we cannot use the first law, log m plus log n, because there are numbers which are in multiplication with this log. So first we'll use that for third one, n log m, which is equals to log of m raised to the power n. Okay, so here when we use that, this one, n multiplied by log of m is equals to log of m raised to the power n. So when we use this law, this question can be written as log of 16 by 15 raised to the power 7 plus log of 25 divided by 24 raised to the power 5 plus log of 81 divided by 80 raised to the power 3. Okay, in LHS. Now what we can do? Now we can use that first law, log m plus log n plus log p, which is equals to log m and p, right? So log of, in big bracket, 16 by 15 raised to the power 7 multiply by 25 by 24 raised to the power 5 multiply by 81 by 80 raised to the power 3. By using which law? By using this one, log x1 plus x2 plus x3 of multiply log x1 multiply by x2 multiply by x3 is equals to log x1 plus log of x2 plus log of x3. Okay, by using this law. Now we will simplify this one by using laws of exponents. So log, now this is it has become a combination of question from chapter log and exponents. You should know how to simplify question using laws of exponents. So here this 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4. This 15 can be written as 3 multiplied by 5. The whole raised to the power is 7. Multiplied by 25 can be written as 5 raised to the power 2. 24 can be written as 3 multiplied by 8. 3 multiplied by 8, and 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3. The whole power 5. This 81 is 3 raised to the power 4, and this 80 can be written as 5 multiplied by 40. No, 5 multiplied by, we can write 8 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 5. 16 multiplied by 5. So 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4 and 5. We have written each number. See, we have converted each number either in the form of, or whose base is either 2, 3 or 5. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Okay, so that we can use laws of exponents. Now see here, log of 2 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 7, so 2 raised to the power 28 by 3 raised to the power 7 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 7 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 5 means 10, and here 3 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 15 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 12 and 2 raised to the power 12 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 3. Now we have numbers either with base 2, 3 or 5. So we will simplify. So here we have 2 raised to the power 28. Now in division we have 2 raised to the power 15, so we'll get minus 15 and minus 12. Similarly, 5 raised to the power 10, then minus 7, minus 3, and 3 raised to the power 12, minus 7 and minus 5. Okay, so we will get log of 2 raised to the power 28. So first we'll add these two numbers, then we will subtract. So 15 minus 12, minus 15 minus 12 is minus 27. So 28 minus 27 is 1. Multiply by 5. 7 minus 3. Minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. 7 minus 7 minus 5 is minus 12. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So log 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 0 is 1, and 3 raised to the power, any term raised to the power 0 is always 1. So we have log 2, and this is the RHS of the question. So by using the laws of exponents as well as laws of logarithm, we have proved that this term is equals to log